if you are planning to start trading, where are you supposed to start? Because you just don't jump in how I just you start. I want to start a forex trading. There are a couple of things that you absolutely have to know, and this is what I'm going to be sharing in this video. I'm just want to have this conversation with you. If you are a beginner, if you're someone who is going to start the forex trading, so that at the end of the week you may have a smooth process. Because these steps are going absolutely to be helping you a lot. These are things that I have observed after trading for 5 years. After training people for 5 years, for that long, I have solved a lot of things, and if you follow these steps, you are absolutely going to be successful in your journey to the forex trading. So let's just get started right now, but make sure to subscribe to this channel, ensure that you share to your friend who is wanted to start trading, and I know it's going to be helping him all. So let's just start with step number one. So many people think that think that the money is or capital is important at the first step when it comes to trading, but I want to tell you that when it comes to the first time, if you are introducing yourself, let's start late. Maybe today that is the day I want to interested in the forex trading. Some people would think that the capital is more important than other things, but I want to tell you that no, capital is not important at the first, because when you invest money into the forex trading without the proper skills, my friend, you're going to lose a lot. You're going to lose all that money. Imagine that you're just going to a new business and you put all your money. It's like putting all your egg in one basket, and not even in one basket, but risking something that even you don't know how it works. You see, one principle that there's someone advised me that don't invest in something that you don't know. Okay, there are some people even out here who think that because they have money now, you can just go and invest to someone who is trading. Don't do that. Make sure that you understand forex first. Skills matter. So capital is not important at the first step as you may think. Now, what is important? What is important here is the capital. All right, what is important here is the skills. The skills are very important when it comes to trading, because and how do you get these skills? That is what we're going to be talking here. Now, first of all, if you want to get started on the forex, I have created a 6-hour course that will teach you from the beginning. What is forex? What are these currencies? What are they known for? What is these? A lot of terms that you're going to be hearing in the forex, and trust me, the course that you're going to be charged out there, $1,000, $2,000, that is the same course that I've created for free. So you better run there and watch that 6 hour. It does not mean that you have to watch all those 6 hours. What you can absolutely do is to make sure that you go to that video, just save it. Like you go and watch like 1 hour per day, 1 hour per day. You go next until you are done with the 6 hours, because every hour it's going to be teaching you something. You practice another 1 hour, you practice another 1 hour, you practice another hour, what you practice. Out of all that journey, at the end of it, you are absolutely going to be understanding forex. So but at least you're going to move out of the forex terms and forex beginning course. And there's another course also for around 4 hours that for the advanced, but make sure that you watch that. So that is where you can absolutely go through. The reason I recommend my videos compared to the other books out there that you may get for the forex trading is because I have personally received so many questions from the beginners, and I know, like, I have taught forex in that class, like how I was struggling. You see how I was struggling to understand what is this, what is forex, what is this. So I am absolutely help people now to understand it in a very simple language. Everyone can absolutely understand in that class. So you better start there. So there are a lot of learning materials there, but before you invest that, make sure that you watch that. At least you understand what is forex. You know how to learn it for your own. Now, number 3, I want to really give you advice on this. Don't invest in anyone. You see, you have so many forex traders out there, and when you say you are a beginner, you don't know how the games runs. So many people will tell you that this journey is long when it comes to forex trading. And what will normally happen is that so many people will tell you what, just bring your money, and also for you, I know absolutely, even you yourself, you're going to be tired on this journey because it's long. You see, 6-hour video, the forex is a very wide area. You see how, like, how you go to university to learn a course, that's how it is. It's very complicated, and sometimes it's not easy. Let me just say in a simple time, it's not easy. So some people who are lazy, what they do is that, yeah, I'm tired of this, what I'm going to do, let me just find someone who can help me to trend, you see. And you just go and find your own mentor out there, you give him your money, and you get scammed out of there. So that is very important, because when you learn how to trend for your own, even if someone tells you that you give me your 20,000, I'm going to be giving you back, you give me $5,000, I'm going to be giving you $10,000 at the end of the week, you absolutely know that is not realistic. And you know, this is definitely a scam. Depending on how you have the skills on forex trading, you absolutely know this is a scammer. So that is why very important, that learning skills, that how important it is. Let's just move to another one now. I want you really to know that, because I have mentioned about the scams and that forex is not investment. Forex is not where you're going to be putting your money and then at the end of the week you get that return of doubling, 50%, 100%. No, forex, I want to call it like a business. You see how you go to open business somewhere, you want to be selling electronics, someone is selling fashions, clothes, shoes, and all that. So you see specifically, what are you selling, what do you deal with? It's the same market that we normally do in the market, that is the forex trading. Some people see they trade gold, they trade currencies, they trade the stock, others they trade different things, because we are all different. So when you learn those basics, still there are a lot of things that still to learn in the forex market. And the skills from the start, the skills are very important, because out of that you're going to be falling in love with one of the currencies, the stock or currencies, and they're absolutely going to be helping you. Now, without start talking, let me just give you a brief on what you have to do. Now, let me just wrap up for you why you absolutely have to start. So basically you start by analyzing, just the video suggests that okay, let me just wrap up this. Let me just wrap up this for you to where you absolutely have to start. Now, first of all, I have recommended a video. Make sure that you go to watch that, because I've analyzed the classes, how they have to be like that. Now, you can start by like having different weeks. Let's say you're going to be training learning in the next 2 months. Make sure that you learn at least 2 months, okay? So you can define the topics that you want to cover. I know you must be doing something else, not only on the forex. Maybe you have your work that you can absolutely go there and have at least 1 hour a day or 2 hours a day for learning forex. And what you're going to do is to define those hours, and then at least 1 hour you can now decide to understand what are these. Because first of all, we have like, what are brokers, what is the MT5, how is it, what is this, what is MT5, what is FX space, how these are connected, what are these brokers, how can I know which broker to select, why is MT5, which platform is in MT5, how can I link these two platforms, and all that. And the next thing that you're absolutely going to be learning now is now the currencies. What are these? When you have euro, USD, what are they called? Is this pair? And then you can go to advance a little bit and learn the terms. This is called the pair, this is called these, and you can advance again and learn what now after these pairs. Now their values that you normally get there, what is the pips, what is the point, how do you calculate that? You continue doing that, how to calculate all those things, because I've seen so many people engaging directly to the chart without understanding these basics, how to calculate leverage, how to calculate point, because it will normally give at the end, it will give you so many difficulties if you didn't take time now to understand the basics of the forex trading at the end. If you don't jump to analyzing the chart, it's absolutely going to be giving you a lot of difficulty. So you make sure that you understand all those basics. What are these currencies? What can we trade in the forex market? It is stock market, we have commodities. What are they? What are those commodities? What are those indices? Where are they from? And you go and learn all that. You have understood how to link this platform. You have understood about MT5. You have understood about brokers. Now you know all those basics. Now it is now for you now to jump to the chart. Which platform can I use to analyze? How to understand this trading instrument that we have, for example, on TradingView. You go and understand the chart, how to analyze using different strategies, because that is where so many beginners jump to. How to get this strategy and all that without understanding the basics, how to calculate point and all that. So make sure that first of all, before you jump to how to analyze those charts, you understand that. And finally, one advice I will give you is don't limit yourself to that. Make sure that you jump to understand what is news, how to trade the news, how can I benefit from trending news, because news is one of the things that will absolutely help you as well. Look at how after elections, after Trump has been elected, look how the market went. Gone to sold, stock market starting boom. You see, cryptocurrency up. So you must understand all those basics of the fundamental analysis, because when you ignore that, absolutely a lot of things are going to go mess on your side. I know you are really want to make money on this, so make sure that as long you want to make money, you make sure that to enter into the forex market as a professional, someone who is organized, okay? And don't lose that hope on the road, because so many people do. And if you stick to this, I know you're absolutely going to be someone different from this. So you, without if you don't know anything about forex, don't be worried. If there's no one around you who ever train, don't be worried. Okay, you can absolutely even consult me. My number is there, and yeah, if you have any question, you can consult me. I'm going to be answering all your questions. I can hand you to my team as well. My recommended broker is on the description below, so you just go to the description below. I'll leave the broker that I use there, and if you have any question, I'll be helping you out. This was just a raw conversation that I wanted to be having with so many traders who want to start trading, especially either 2025 or this year. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.